Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss the formula of ddx of uv and ddx of u divided by v, that is product rule and division rule. Product rule says if u and v are two functions of x, then ddx of uv we can write it as v into ddx of u plus u into ddx of v. Where division rule says ddx of u divided by v, when u and v are two functions of x, it will be v square v ddx of u minus u ddx of v. First sum, if we will do of ddx of x sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So first thing we need to apply here, that is product division rule, that is u divided by v. So for that u divided by v, the first formula will be v square 1 plus cos x whole square, then v 1 plus cos x into ddx of x sin x minus u, which is x sin x, into ddx of 1 plus cos x. Now 1 plus cos x whole square, I will keep it like this. Numerator it will be 1 plus cos x into ddx of x sin x. Just check over there, x sin x. We have two functions of x, so we have to apply the formula of ddx of u into v. What will be the formula? It will be u into ddx of v plus v into ddx of u minus x sin x into, what is ddx of 1? It's 0, and ddx of cos x is minus sin x, right? So this will be the formula here. So it will be 1 plus cos x into ddx of sin x is cos x, so it will be x cos x plus sin x into ddx of x, which is 1, minus it will be plus x sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. If I try to simplify this, just check what will happen. It will be x cos x into 1, it will be x cos x plus x cos square x plus sin x plus sin x cos x plus x sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. X cos square x plus x sin square x. If I simplify this too, if I take x common, it will be sin square x plus cos square x inside the bracket, so it will be 1. So ultimately this will be equals to x plus this x cos x. Now what I can take common from this to sin x, right? So if I take sin x common, it will be 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. From the first two terms, I can take x common. So if I take x common, it will be 1 plus cos x plus sin x into 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. So in the numerator, I can take 1 plus cos x, x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. So I can simplify by cancelling 1 plus cos x. So this will be the final result, x plus cos x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Please do remember this result. Later on, as we know, the reversible process of differentiation is integration. We need this process while we will integrate. One more sum if we will practice here right now. Suppose we need to find out second sum, dy dx we need to find out dy dx when y equals to 2 minus 3 cos x divided by sin x, and we need to find out dy dx at x equals to pi by 4. How to solve this type of sum? Don't put x equals to pi by 4 at the very first step. What you will do first, can you just simplify and write y equals to, if I take this one, 2 divided by sin x, that will be 2 cosec x minus 3 cos x by sin x, that will be 3 cot x. Correct? So now if I'll differentiate with respect to x, my dy dx will be minus 2. What is ddx of cosec x? ddx of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, right? Minus, and this one will be cot x is minus cosec square x, so minus minus it will be plus, so 3 cosec square x. Now dy dx at x equals to pi by 4, that will be minus 2 cosec pi by 4 cot pi by 4 plus 3 cosec pi by 4 whole square. So this step we are going to apply the formula, the value, the standard value we know. Sin pi by 4 we know is 1 divided by root 2. So cosec pi by 4 will be root 2, cot pi by 4 is 1, plus 3 cosec pi by 4 is root 2. So answer will be root 2 whole square is 2 only. So 6 minus 2 root 2. One more sum if we will discuss right now based on this u divided by v formula only, or u into v, or rather both the formulas. Suppose we need to differentiate y equals to root over of sec x plus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x. So before proceeding differentiation or integration or any calculus, we need to learn trig formula very well, because many times we need to just substitute and we have to get the answer. So in this sum, if I just rationalize, like in numerator and denominator, if I multiply by sec x plus tan x, so numerator will be sec x plus tan x whole square, and denominator will be sec x minus tan x into sec x plus tan x. I have multiplied by sec x plus tan x. So numerator, if I take out the root, it will be sec x plus tan x only, and what will be denominator? It will be root over of sec square x minus tan square x. What is sec square x minus tan square x? That is 1. So ultimately y will become only sec x plus tan x. Just check. So simplification is very much required for this type of sum. Now dy dx will be ddx of sec x is sec x tan x, and ddx of tan x is sec square x. So that's all for the video. If you have related any problem in product of uv and u divided by v, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.